Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you a very famous poem, Wind, written by Subramanyam Bharati. Okay, as the name suggests, this poem is about wind. However, the wind is a natural phenomenon, and in the poem, the poet describes the power of the wind and calls wind destructive. Further, he links the destructive power of the wind with the difficulties of life. He says that weak people break down easily, but a stronger people emerge out stronger, means they become more stronger. Also, the poem gives a very important lesson that we should be mentally tough and physically strong in order to survive the hardship of life. Now, come to the point. Wind comes softly, don't break the shutters of the windows, don't scatter the papers, don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books, you brought rain again. Here the poet is requesting to the winds that, O wind, please come softly, because when you so don't break the shutters of the windows, means don't break the windows pane. Don't scatter the papers, means don't throw the papers everywhere, don't separate it, spread it. Don't throw down the books on the shelf, means the books which are already on the shelf, please don't throw, because when you come with a huge speed, you throw everything. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. And see, what have you done? Oh wind, see what have you done? You have thrown everything. You have spread everything. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again, and you also tear the pages of the books, separated it from the books, and you also bring the rain, because when the wind blows, it also brings the clouds from the sky, and that cause the rain. Next, you are very clever at poking fun at weaklings, frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts, the wind god winnows and crushes them all. And now the poet is telling that, O wind, you are very clever. See what have you done? You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings, means you always try to make fun of the weak people and weak things. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts, means you had break all the weak things. Here frail means weak and crumble means break. You have break the houses, you have destroyed the doors, you have break the rafters. Rafters means the portion of the roof which is made of wood. You have crumbling bodies, you also crumble the weak people. You crumbling the lives of the, you also break the lives of the people, and you also break the hearts of the people. And the wind god winnows and crushes them all, and wind god also blow the sap. Winnows means when we separate the sap from the grains, that is called winnows, means you also winnows everything and crushes them all. He won't do what you tell him, so come let's build a strong homes, let's join the doors firmly, practice to firm the body, make the heart steadfast, do this and the wind will be friends with us. Now the poet changed his mood. In the first two stanza, the poet is requesting with the wind, you don't blow so heavily, but in the third stanza, the poet now tells the people that the wind is doing his work, so we have to become strong. he won't do what you tell him, because whatever we are telling to winds, he can't do. So come, let's build a strong homes. We have to make the strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly, and we have to close the door so tightly that wind cannot enter it. And practice to firm the body, means we have to practice to stand strongly. Make the heart steadfast, and we also make our heart so that the wind can't move it. Do this, and the wind will be friend with us. And when we make a strong ourselves, when we become a strong, when we make a strong houses, when we stand firmly, on that time the wind becomes our friend. The wind blows out weak fires, he makes a strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good, we praise him every day. Now here the poet says that everything that is weak gets finished off in the face of the strong wind, and all the things that are strong flourish and grow to become stronger. He says that wind is God, and we praise wind every day. Here the poet is telling the wind blows out the weak fires and he makes a strong fires roar and flourish. As we know that in Hindi कि winds के हवा क्या करता है कि जो मोमबत्ती जो है उसको बुझा देता है, लेकिन जो आग जो जलता है उसको और वो आग को जला देता है. It means that कि he destroy the weak things but he gives power to the strong things. Now whatever we know from the poem, let's come to the conclusion. The poem gives us a very important message that we should not feel bad when we are facing so many challenges and hardship in life. Instead, we should make ourselves mentally and physically strong to face the challenges. Thank you.